Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q2 S-Line 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Daytona pearl, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing 18-inch alloy wheels with the 5-segment spoke design making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgates makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, iconic S-embossed logo and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations, connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aids for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the 12-volt charging point, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, and electric parking brake adding modern flair to the car's profile. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.